Today, we got some confetti eggs.
You recording?
Yeah, you gotta talk loud.
Time out.
What you're about to witness is a hodgepodge of footage, but most importantly, you're about to witness the most epic toy egg review. Although the SD card did run out of footage halfway through it, we missed some of the most important stuff. Hey, maybe we could pull it up on security footage. It is 1992, by the way. Roll the footage, enjoy this. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I think that's what the cool kids are doing now. All right, Preppy's gotta get out of here.
Time in.
Today, we have some confetti eggs. And I'm gonna show you guys how they work. So first, I'm gonna show you the colors. So this is pink, blue, green, pink, yellow, pink, orange. So first I'll show you how to do it. This is how you do it. So you crack the egg and then look, there's confetti. See confetti? Now let's do the yellow. Look, guys, so this is what it looks like when the sugar's through. And you want to make sure it does not get on the floor, and there's a lot.
Okay, there you go.
Walk away because I don't want you to hear this part.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
It's a funny, really crazy part.
Okay, I'll see it when we edit it and put it on YouTube.
This is internet crazy video of this. See how it falls around. And I already made it in a big new pile. So you just want to make sure you don't mess this up and put it on the floor like I did. Let's get started. So first, I'll show you the color of it. Okay, I'm gonna crack this on my egg, the relaxing, but I want to make sure it doesn't get my hair dirty.
Oh, it's gonna get in your hair if you crack it on your head.
Yeah, but we can get it out of my hair.
Yeah, we can.
Watch this. Wait. There's one crack. See? I told you I'd get in my hair. See? Told you. Do you want me to do that to your hair ever? Whoa. Okay, now I'll show you how to do this. And you can also like do it. That's the end of this video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Give this life a video.
The Easter fun continues from the baskets at home.
Look! My wings!
What are you?
Marina!
These fidget
Yay!
spinners are genius. And I have ointment on my face, not anything else.
Yeah, these are really cool. They're like, they're suction cups, and we tried doing them to the floor, but they wouldn't stay. Missed his cute little yay. Good job, buddy.
Spin them, buddy.
And Gaines had to get her Vampirina on. Oh, I put the wings on upside down. No wonder they're not staying. Yeah, I twisted them because they were way too big. I'm not sure which direction they're supposed to go.
Fidget spinners for kids.
Those are really cool.
And look, now you can open the door better.
Whoa! Can you tell us about them, Brooks? What are those?
Fidget spinner. You go to town on those bad boys. All right. Uh-oh.
Mommy, I love my Vampirina dress.
I'm so glad.
Vampirina wings in my headband.
You have waited long enough for it. You've been waiting since October.
Oh yeah, I forgot you even wanted that.
And I finally got it for Halloween.
You mean for Easter?
And for Halloween.
Oh yeah.
Buddy!
Say fidget. He is loving this. This is fun.
We are playing a game about getting ourselves dirty and then washing it off and drying.
Oh, that is such a good game. So show me how this game works.
So this is how to do it. And my kids will play me later. So we better hurry up. So this is what, yeah. And then our feet clean off, and then we set out to drive.
Is he doing it right?
Yes.
Guess what I found?
What?
Do you remember you wanted to have a helicopter like Brooks had for
Yeah.
Easter?
Yeah.
Well, when I was just cleaning up a big pile of stuff from Christmas, look what I found.
My helicopter.
Your mini helicopter and the batteries were dead, but I replaced them. So now you both have a helicopter.
Brooks, do you want your helicopter to match? Reggie. Dada.
That's Dada's. You want me to go get yours?
Reggie.
Say Brooks's.
Bubble.
Bubble.
Awa.
Are you pretending it's Awa? Oh. You gonna get splinters. Stomach flip. Oh, the
What?
splinters. Oh, the splinters. Guess what?
There's candy in here.
What?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
Eat it.
Hey, I want mine.
Ma.
Okay, let me go get it.
Brooks's. Can you say Brooks's? Doesn't take much. In other news, well, I forgot I didn't have my hat on. This was my setup, if y'all missed the vlog, where it was the Easter special. If you missed the Easter special, go check it out. Link up here. I stood in front of this, acted like Zach Morris. Interesting. And used this around the corner. It was actually up higher, and I had it like pulled tight and nice. Get it right, get it tight. Behind the scenes of the stuff. And not to mention, I've spent freaking all day trying to figure out how to do a chroma key in Final Cut Pro. Thank you, Google and YouTube. We haven't done an update on the fishies yet, but this Mr. Coral is so happy right now. I just posted an Instagram video of him. But I mean, look at him. He's just out and about. And did we ever update him on our fish? The other day when we came home, I put a extended feeder in both of the tanks and came in here. This extended feeder was different than the other one. It was like a jelly one. They barely ate it, it looked like. And then this little guy was not doing so hot. He was kind of like sideways. Hanging out over here, the water cooler, you know, where everybody hangs out when they're not doing so good. Getting a little worried about him. And then Katie checked the temperature in here and it was like 84 somehow. It was really hot. So we adjusted the temperature. He wasn't eating as well. Changed the water, turned the temperature down, and he is back and kicking now. These guys in here did really good though. I never did show y'all a little montage of that, but they are hanging out having fun. I was about to get out of the car. Now here I am going on another choo-choo train down the track. Our thoughts and prayers go out to everybody at YouTube and everybody involved in the horrific, heartless incident that happened the other day. So we're a couple days behind, so that's why there's been nothing said. I was on Twitter, you know, the day of. I was listening to the radio scanner and, you know, in retrospect, probably shouldn't have even tweeted anything to, you know, throw any ideas out there. So, you know, I did retweet myself and said, you know, I'm glad this is inaccurate news. Why don't we have that as the English? What? Incorrect. It's just sad, and I don't know what the answer is. I'm not gonna get into that debate. Regardless of the answer, lives are still changed and lost and all that, so it's just hard. Thoughts and prayers out to everybody over there at the YouTube headquarters and anybody involved throughout the chain of events that it all happens in. Sorry.